Hello students, welcome back to your English class. Today we are going to start our next chapter from your supplementary reader book. The name of the chapter is A Strange Wrestling Match. This is a story about a man, Vijay Singh. Let's see what is there in the chapter. There was once a wrestler called Vijay Singh, a tall man with massive shoulders and muscular arms. He towered over others like a giant. He seemed to be like a monster, very big, who can beat anyone. Vijay Singh, people said, was a born wrestler and could beat all the other wrestlers in this world. This Pahalwan had one shortcoming, which often landed him in awkward situations. He was fond of boasting. One day he was sitting in the marketplace surrounded by several young men. So he is having a habit of boasting himself, always praising of himself. After drinking many glasses of milk, he suddenly proclaimed, "Why are the people afraid of ghosts? I'm not. I wish I must meet him. I would teach him a lesson." So he was saying such a thing that one man said, "If you want to walk alone all night through the haunted desert," one of them said, "you are sure to meet the ghosts. They roam there only. Travelers has been looted and killed. And would you really want to go there?" Vijay Singh mightily heart missed a beat or two. Why did he have to boast? He think why I have said such a thing. "Yes, I have heard of haunted desert," he said nonchalantly. "I think it was just a fairy tale." "Oh no," said one of his admirers. "It's true. This place is 10 miles to the west on the road to Jaisalmer." So he decided to move to the Jaisalmer. Just then an old woman came forward, thrust a small packet into his hands, and Vijay Singh started walking into the red sunset. A few miles short of the destination, Vijay Singh remembered the old woman packet. He opened it and found nothing but a lump of salt and an egg. As Vijay Singh stepped into the haunted desert, he heard a voice, Vijay Singh, you will get lost in the desert. I'm your friend, Network." They will realize it was not his friend, but a ghost. Trying to save brave, he called back, "Come here and show me the way." Like all good wrestlers, Vijay Singh wanted to size up his enemy. Ghost appeared at his side. Vijay Singh declared, "You are just a plain, lying ghost." They fainted after seeing Ghost. But here was this unfeeling creature claiming he wanted to meet a ghost. "That proves," said Vijay Singh, is a bored voice, "that you are a stupid ghost. The least a ghost can do is to read." Vijay Singh, "The fact is, I'm tired of wrestling with men. I want to fight a ghost." The ghost said, "You don't appear all that strong man to me." Vijay Singh picked up a piece of rock from the sand. "Take this," he offered it to the ghost, and squeezed it hard. "It is filled with a fluid. See if I'm wrong." Now he challenged the ghost for a wrestling. While the ghost tried to squeeze the rock first with one hand, then with both, Vijay Singh steadily took out the eggs from his pocket and snatched the rock from the ghost and placed it between both the hands and squeezed. "Never heard of a ghost who can't see in the dark," remarked Vijay Singh. "That stone which you hold in your hands contains salt. Crumble it and see." Again the ghost tried to crush the stone, but it's vain. Vijay Singh then picked up another piece of a rock and gave it to the ghost. Without a word, the ghost took it and felt it and peered it. Vijay Singh put his hand in his pocket to take out the lumps of salt. "I can see you are not going to be a worthy opponent. What is the use of wrestling with a weakling whom I can floor in a minute?" So saying, Vijay Singh casually crumbled the lumps of salt and let the stone drop in the darkness. It seemed like that a blood is dropping down. This man could easily vanquish him in wrestling about in the dark, but perhaps he could be tricked in another ways. Assuming a servile manner, the ghost said, "Friend Vijay Singh, it's an honor to meet a man like you." The ghost bowed in an agreement, but silently vowed to kill the Vijay Singh in the night. He led him to his house in the cave. Vijay Singh kept awake at the night. He cleverly dumped into the ghost in his cave. The ghost believed that Vijay Singh was unbeatable. He ran away, leaving all his property with the Vijay Singh wealthy for the living. I hope the lesson is clear to you. Thank you. Goodbye.